What's up, YouTube? Today, we will be doing the FE2 map Portals. I never beat this map, so it's not gonna be a full run yet. But I'll try to do it duo with my friend. But if that don't work, I will try. But my thing is glitching around so bad right now. I have no clue why. So we'll be trying to beat it today. If I don't, I'm so sorry, but we're gonna have a chance. We might have a chance. I mean, we're not doing this triple with most of my friends, but you can't see their use. So we're gonna be doing it, but I think laggy, so laggy. Sorry, there's a motor outside of my house running. Very sorry about that, but let's hope you enjoy the video and have fun. I don't know why my thing is so laggy right now. It never been like this in a lot of days. Probably there's so much stuff in my I have no idea what's going on. Why it I don't know why it's lagging so bad. We are not going to be doing portals, guys. It's so laggy. It's glitching my game around so bad. Portals, a very laggy map. We are not going to be doing a run of that. What the heck? You saw that, guys. That was weird. Very, very strange and weird. I wish I could put the link in the in this description, but I don't know how to do all those developments and everything yet, so I can't do that yet. But whenever I do, I will. It's not. What's going on? Why it's laggy? Alright, guys, we are going to be doing Volcanic Lab now. Whoops. The map's really hard. I don't say mean. But the funny thing is, my thing never really lags like this. It's just doing it now. I really don't know why. Wow, the freaking lag. The freaking lag. let's do other flop. I am sorry, guys. That'll be the end of the freaking video. Hope you freaking like this lag so much. Can't deal with it. Oh my god, this video is done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Later.